Hey everyone! Do you want to learn English faster, but you hate boring textbooks? What if I told you there's a fun way, a way that feels like entertainment, not study? Yes, I'm talking about movies. Stick around because today I'll show you how movies can make you speak English naturally, and you won't even feel like you're studying. Hi, I'm Carol. If you love movies, you're in the right place, because in this video, I'll share 3 simple secrets that will help you learn English with movies, starting today. No boring lectures, only fun, easy tips you can use right away. Secret number 1, choose the right movie. Not every movie is good for learning. If you pick something too hard, you'll get tired and give up. So pick something simple. Animation, family shows, or even cartoons. Characters speak slowly and clearly. You'll understand more and enjoy more. Secret number 2, use English subtitles, not your own language. Because when you see English words and hear English sounds together, your brain connects them instantly. Why? You learn spelling, pronunciation, and meaning all at once. Start with subtitles all the time. Then slowly try to listen more and look at subtitles only when you need help. Secret number 3. Repeat short scenes. This is called shadowing. Pick a scene that's 30 seconds to 1 minute. Watch it many times. Listen carefully. Try to repeat the sentences. Copy the voice, the tone, and the feeling. Don't worry if you're not perfect. Just try. This will make your speaking more natural. So, what do you think? Ready to try these tips? If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. It helps me make more fun English lessons. And if you want more tips like this, please subscribe. Let's learn English together and have fun while we do it. See you next time. Bye!